also even use it for competing teams, like for soccer or for the basketball, volleyball. They need to win. Whatever they win, the marks, the grades, or the total the marks, but you just win, right? That's the success. So in collaboration, there are many different aspects for you to delve into. Yeah, if you are interested in that, you can propose a new number or new formula for evaluate the effectiveness of collaboration. Oh yeah, okay. What functionality is needed for successful collaboration? Okay, that's a good question. So for collaboration, you will find about eCargo. Okay, now I can tell you eCargo is a basic functionality for successful collaboration. Okay, you may argue that. Okay, I can extend this aspect to the functionality of successful collaboration. Okay, yeah, just continue the effectiveness of collaboration. You can evaluate what do you mean by successful collaboration? What do you mean by success, right? So successful, everybody is happy, is a success, right? Or the team gets a maximum production is a success, okay? Or you can win the match, okay, is a success. So also in my model, I use DRA, use sum. But for successful collaboration, I think maybe your question is among this one. What's the major components we want to conduct collaboration? For example, okay, I say eCargo, okay, and environment is important, and the collaboration and the message passing, or we call it assignment, is important. Evaluation is important, and coordination important. Okay, that's what I did not investigate. That's one thing. So that's why for role playing, yeah. So if you remember the tree, the development tree of RBC, you will find that the role playing is far away it's still an open problem. Actually, the whole RBC, GRA are open problems. You can put new, you find new problems to develop to get, make new contributions. And also you may argue that, okay, for successful collaboration, we need a goal. Yeah, the goal is important. You may say, oh, you may argue that eCargo has no goal. But the eCargo goal is implied in the maximum of the team. So that's why we have a goal of optimization of assignment. If you set up another goal, there will be new research topics. Good question. Yeah, you can, if you are interested in that aspects, yeah, you are studying and you can do research. Okay, you can contact me in the future if you like.
Any more questions?
Yeah, I enjoy your questions and thank you for your good questions.
Okay, so I think there is no more questions from students. On behalf of ITM-SLS Baroda University, I express my heartfelt thanks to Dr. Haibin Zhu for taking his precious time out and sharing the information. I would also like to thank all the participants for attending this session. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day.
Yeah, have a good day. Have a good night.
Good night.
Thanks a lot, sir. And I would like to continue our discussion regarding collaborations later on with you, sir. I would send you a mail and we'll talk about it further, what we were talking about before the presentation, before the lecture. Collaborations between our universities.
Oh yeah,
Yes,
about collaboration, if you really have an intention about the 2+2,
yes,
and
sir.
yeah, we can discuss more about that. I can send you some my draft policy for 2+2 programs. If you have that, I believe in India there are many such kind of programs. If you have a template and something, you can draft some agreement and send to us, and then we can interact and then make it further for the students. So the basic idea for the 2+2 is the students attend 2 years in your university and collect some credits, and that's transferred to NIPS University. For example, NIPS University, we have honors the bachelor degree of computer science and need 4 years, and we collect 120 credits. And so if the first 2 years you collect 60 credits, you can transfer the 60 credits we can use, we call it the agreement of group credit transfer. If we can transfer that here, the student can only just need only 2 years of study at NIPSIN and get their honors 4 years degree. Yeah, and a good thing for Canada is if you can complete the 2 years study, you get an now I do not know if the policy changed, and the student can check. Years ago, the policy for students is if you complete the 2 years study in Canada, and you will automatically get a 2 years working visa without any employers the recruiting or the offer letter. Just you can use the working visa to apply for jobs. So that's a good thing for students.
Yes, sir.
A good attraction, I think.
Sir, let us talk about this at length, and we will talk about this. I'm very much interested, and I'll also talk to the authorities in my institute, and I'll get back to you, sir.
Yes, definitely.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. And participants, that was the last lecture of our webinar series that spanned over 5 days. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Professor Zhu, and have a very good day. And hope we'll have you soon again for another lecture. It was very informative. Thank you, sir. Thank you, participants.
Okay, thank you. Okay, have a good night.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.